So we're gonna film this. It's kind of a cool looking house, and then we're just gonna keep walking all the way down that street. So so this one is gonna be basically just kind of general walking. So we'll talk about this in a second. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this one is kind of interesting because there's, I don't know what it says, but it says, I don't know what it is, but it says Sisters of the Good Shepherd. So it looks like this whole thing is maybe some kind of, I don't know, something Catholic, basically. It looks like it's some old architectural house. And so we're just gonna walk down a little bit and just explore this whole area. And then just kind of see what kind of housing we have. So yeah, I think some of this has historical value, but I don't know what the history of this would have been. But anyways, we're just gonna explore. So okay, so this one has a nice little garden out front, and this one right here is Chan Sui Ki Perpetual Help College. So it's college that I never heard of. And then this looks like a one individual property that's has its own little fence. And some of these things are so amazing to me because they definitely look like they're dilapidated and abandoned, but at the same time they must be worth a lot of money. Like I cannot even imagine how much money those would be. Kids playing down here. Okay. Yeah, and you get, like, you're right next to a college as well. Okay. This college might actually be just like a K through 12 kind of school. And I think we're just going to explore straight down this street, but there's a kind of a main street that's parallel with this one, which is where the larger buses run. Huh. This one has a lot of fence security as well. Maybe it's just to protect if there's kids that play, I guess, maybe. Can't imagine anybody would try to... Oh, there's also security here too, though. This is like a school. Pretty loud in that place. Yeah, a lot of the stuff in Macau, you know, usually you don't really walk on this particular street because there's not really businesses, not really any real reason to. Garden of Victoria. Edificio is a building, Jardin is a garden building of Victoria. Garden building. Macau flag. I think this is a sports center, I think. Yeah, it's like a sports center. Let's see, we'll just kind of view a little bit. Kind of interesting architecture, right? Yeah, actually I don't even try to get into the sports centers because well, usually they always have all these like you have to go there to play sports. So if you're just walking around like I am with a camera, they usually say, oh, those shoes aren't allowed and you gotta get some sports shoes and, you know, kind of random stuff. And I also don't think that they would want some guy with a camera filming a bunch of people. In that kind of setting, in a private. So okay, let's keep on walking here. So yeah, I guess this college has a little signs on it. And we're kind of coming up against what this one is. It's another sports center, so this one is also for sports too. Right across from the school. So they're probably playing. Huh. Looks nice in there. Might even have a pool in there. Okay, so this actually was the pool. And we're, so I did actually walk in, and the pool is really nice. But of course I can't bring a camera in there, there's people swimming. And this is the college right here. So you at Wa College, it says you can be a saint. So I guess it's a Catholic college. It looks like they're doing some work here. So there's a bus stop. Let's try to get on the other side. and they're doing something with a tree. That's how tight those scooters are, right? Wow. You have to move each one individually just to get it in and out. Okay, so they're doing a little bit of tree maintenance here. Oh, there's another school, Robert Ho. Okay. So I think another video I went up here and I kind of came around this kind of interesting way, but today I'm just going to follow this particular street. And actually way up there you can see like a sports center, so I can see this from a distance, and it's always a little bit interesting. That's the construction down here. Okay. Yeah. It's like a new shop. It's like either just opening or just closing. I mean permanently closing or grand opening. Let's see, dentist I believe? Dental center, yep. It's like almost like a little warehouse kind of look. So we're gonna keep on exploring. List. So okay. Yeah, and there's a park right over here too. I think I might try to get across, get over to that park. Oh, this is the Royal Hotel, okay. If you want to know what the Royal Hotel goes to. Now we're going to overlook this park right here. And I'll probably end it right about in this space. Straight ahead is the Grand Lisboa. You can see the Gaudi building. I saw something that was saying that was like one of the gaudiest, worst architectural designs in the world, but actually I think it's kind of a mix. I think a lot of people really like it. I always thought it was pretty cool, especially at nighttime. It's really unique. Okay, so I guess we'll end it right there. This is the garden of Vasco da Gama. And all this was on Estrada de Vitoria. Yeah.